Russet, what are we doing? Russet. He's distracted. We're taking him to the dog park. We're trying to do this about once a week. Let him get kind of socialized with some of the dogs around here. Run around, because we can take him off his leash and he'll run up and down that thing and get some of his energy out. Then we've got a couple of errands we gotta run, most of which is at my apartment. So,
boo.
Yeah, boo. So I'm pretty sure I mentioned in an earlier video that we've had a change in management at my apartment, and I was on the renter's insurance for the old management. Well, since we have new management, they've switched us renter's insurance, and I'm supposed to be taken off the old one and then put on their cheaper one, that's the newer one, and I have not seen anything about the newer one, and I'm still getting charged for the old one. So we gotta go talk to the office about that, and then I just gotta get my roommate.
If you live at a Gray Star, read the fine print and, you know, do a lot of research and be careful with them. They are sleazy scumbags. I know that because I worked for them.
Yeah.
So I know most of the stuff don't, like, the problem is that Gray Star is a huge company and they own like everything pretty much, like when it comes to apartments. Like you'll have good apartments by Gray Star and you'll have your bad ones, but you still have to watch out for Gray Star because they have a lot of stuff that makes no sense in their contracts.
Yeah. Yeah.
Also, get your own insurance for the apartment. Don't do the renter's insurance that they provide.
Which both of us are on that renter's insurance.
Yeah.
It's kind of a bummer because I'm getting charged $25 a month for the renter's insurance that I'm on.
Through Gray Star.
But now that we're not Gray Star, I'm supposed to be on the other one, and the other one is like half that. And I'm trying to save money everywhere I possibly can because still looking for a job. I'm going to put in more job applications today. But yeah, it's kind of messed up.
Kind of.
White fence. Yeah. So I kind of got to go take care of that because I talked to them about it at the beginning of, it was end of last month. I talked to them about it when I noticed it, and they basically said that because it was a transition period, that I was going to have one more month on the Gray Star one,
which is stupid,
which made sense. But this month they said I was supposed to be put on the other one, and I wasn't, and I still haven't been taken off the Gray Star one, so I gotta save money. People are disobeying. So the way this dog park is set up is, so the first time we took Russet, we didn't have a problem with it. They just kind of, wherever you wanted to go in, you went in. But now they've got, I'm guessing something happened because they have it split off where one says large dogs only, 40 pounds or greater, and the other two areas are small dog only, 40 pound, like under 40 pounds. And I see people taking their like 80 to 100 pound dogs into the 40 pound or less area.
Oh, he's ready.
So yeah, we'll catch you later. We've got one exhausted dog.
Hopefully.
I mean, the way he's panting right now, but he could just be overheated. He, I don't know if you can see it there, but he got a little muddy. He played with some other doggies. He ran up to a couple of owners and was just like, pay attention to me.
Not your dog.
Yeah. Russet. Yeah. So I'd say that was pretty much a success for today. It is, everyone started leaving, so like, you know what, I think he's had enough time, he's not really doing much, so we didn't stay too long, but.
Yeah, this place has a library book sale going on.
Oh, cool. But he did get some energy out.
The most important thing.
Yeah. So we're gonna take him back and then go get lunch and then talk to my apartment because
Fun.
in all honesty, my renter's insurance should be null and void because the management changed. And I should not be paying $25 a month.
And that's what the new management said, is that should be null and void because they technically bought out your contract.
Yeah. And I'm still having to pay it. So I don't know what's going on anymore. But they did say last month that if it happened again this month, just to go back and talk to them and then we'll get it figured out. So that's what we'll do. Gotta get the electricity checked to my roommate.
And we'll figure out what else we do today.
Yeah.
A bit warm out, so...
A bit.
Well, it's also really humid.
Yeah.
So it doesn't help that we're next to a river.
No.
Constantly, so...
No, that doesn't help. I mean, we always could go swimming at my pool.
Eh.
Russet! 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 That goof. Oh well, catch you later. What's up, guys? So what you last saw was we went to San Antonio to go visit a friend. We actually went to the Riverwalk, so that was really fun. Then we went to this place called Leica, where we got cheesecake, which was really fun.
Highly recommend.
Highly recommend, yeah. So we didn't really do much else besides that. That was all on Saturday, so we haven't really done much, but yeah, we will catch you in our next vlog. Subscribe down below. Click that post notification bell. Follow us on Instagram. Comment if you've ever been to the Riverwalk. I love going. It's very pretty. So we'll see you in our next video. Bye, guys.